Since we have learned the switch case theoretical concept, now we will be doing a few programs to understand the how the switch case construct works. Okay. So first of all, just I will start with the easy program. Suppose I am writing a program to determine whether the entered character is a vowel or not. Okay. So I will enter such character and it will tell me whether I have entered the vowel or I have not entered a vowel. So I will have to enter a character. So one printf statement will be there, which will say that enter the character you wish. Okay. And one scanf statement will be there. Now, since I will have to deal with character, I will have to use %c. Okay. And suppose that I am naming as x. Fine. So here I will take char x, the variable. Fine. And this variable, where the input will go from the keyboard, I will take this variable inside my switch case. Fine. This concept is done. Now I will use the concept of cases. Now my vowels are A, E, I, O, U. It can be capital A, it can be small a. So one case will be small a colon. Another case can be capital A. Fine. Now the thing is, since I am using character, so I am including it with a single quote that will specify that this is a character. If I would have taken values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I need not give the single quote. The characters need to be in a single quote, but not the numbers. Okay. Now, if either of the two cases matches, then it will print that it is a vowel, right? It will print it is a vowel. Fine. And there will be one break statement. Fine. Now this case will be same for all. A, E. Then I, O, U. Fine. So for all the cases, this is the case. And the last, there will be a default case, right? The case name is default. Remember this thing, this ends with a colon and the line ends with a semicolon. And the default case, it will show that it is not a vowel. Okay. And everything is as per. Now let us run this program. Suppose I'm entering the character A. It is a vowel. Okay. I'm entering the character R. It should show now it is not a vowel. 1 minute. Okay. Default, I have written a wrong smelling. That's why it's not coming. Suppose I'm giving R. It is not a vowel. Okay. So this is one example how you use the switch case statement. Suppose let us write another program. Suppose I will enter the day and it will show me which I will enter the number. I mean, I will enter the number, like suppose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, ek karke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. I will enter the number and it will show me which day it is, corresponds to which day. So write a program to enter a number from 1 to 7 and display the corresponding day of the week. Okay, using the switch case. So I will take what input from the user? I will take the input that enters the number. Enter the number you wish between 1 to 7. Okay. And here it will be number. So percentage D. And here it will be int. Fine. Now in this I am passing my X. That is okay. Now the cases will be what can be the values from 1 to 7, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So one value of my variable can be 1, another value of my variable can be 2, another value of my variable can be 3, another is 4, another is 5, another is 6, and another is 7. Right? Now, these all values means I will give that case as the number which the variable value it can have. The value of the variable that can have, that number you have to give in this case number. Okay. So if it is case 1, it will print that it is Monday. If it is case 2, it will print Tuesday, Wednesday, okay. So this is my program. So let us run this. Suppose I wish that I'm entering 5. So 5 means it's a Friday. Okay. Suppose if I wish that I'm entering 65, it is not a valid number because between 1 to 7, it will corresponding some day, right? 7 days a week. 65, it cannot do. So it's not valid. So in the default case, we always write that thing which we want to show when the user is not entering certain valid input. Okay. Suppose okay, using this switch case, suppose write a program to print whether a number is even or not, even or odd. Okay. So for this, so how can I do the switch statement? Now I will take a number from the user, right? So enter the number you wish. Okay. So that number will go to a variable, that is the variable X. I have taken X. Now, how do we know that number is even or odd? We see the remainder. If the remainder is 0, that means the number is odd. And if the even, and if the remainder is 1, that means the number is odd. As simple as that. So I will calculate the remainder. And how do I calculate? The variable modulus operator 2. Fine. Now, since I have taken this variable rem, so I am naming it also as rem, right? Now, in the switch case, I will verify this rem, right? So I will not verify my x, I will verify my rem. Whether my rem variable has value 0 or my name variable has value 1. Fine. If my rem variable has value 0, that means it is a even number. If my rem variable has value 1, that means it is a odd number. Okay. And default case, कुछ भी दे दो. Okay. Fine. So this is my switch case. This is a simple finding out even and odd. How using the switch case construct I have found it out. Now let us run this. So suppose I'm entering a number 7 odd. Suppose I'm entering a number 6 even. So switch case is a concept which we use instead if we do not want to use the if else statement. Sometimes if there are a lot of conditions, we may use the switch case construct also. Okay. So this was all about the programs in the switch case. In the next topic, we will start with the iterative statements loop, that is while, do while, and for.